Ahoy! Frynugs! Patrick here. I'm trying to do a Vsauce thing. But anyways, I recently picked up this thing right here. Bye! And this is the Logitech F310 gamepad. And I did have one of these before. I let that guy right there, I let him use it.
What's in the box?
Yeah, see? What's in the box? What's right there? It says it right there. What's in the box? What's up?
What's in the box?
What's in the box is a controller. I asked the guy at Walmart, where I bought this, for his opinion whether to go Bluetooth, or not Bluetooth, wireless or wired. So
Wired mother trucker is always better.
yeah, that's what I went for. That's what he was saying. Hello?
Oh, it's broke. Gotta return it. Give me the box. Give me the box.
He's... oh! Look at that. Look at this. Oh! Unboxing. Greatest. Oh! He's getting... oh! He's getting... he's doing stuff. Yeah, camera angles. Wow, yeah, yeah.
Rest in peace to anyone that's got vertigo and shit.
Gotta catch them all. Zoom in.
That's enough. Fuck your plastic. Logitech. Ooh, it's a different color.
No, it's the exact same, just probably faded over the years. I got a wedgie. I just picked it. Read the instructions, man.
Read the instructions.
Yeah. Let's pick up this trash I just knocked over.
Instructions. Plug in gamepad to USB outlet. Turn on gamepad with button on back of gamepad.
Buttons?
Yes, the on-off button, which is an X and an O, which is kind of funny with Logitech.
X and an O, they love
Unless
it.
they changed it. Is it still an X and O?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Right there.
Left button trigger, right button trigger, D-pad, 2 analog mini sticks, mode button, mode status light, 4 action buttons, start button, Logitech button, back button.
A lot of buttons. Right.
Help with the setup. The gamepad doesn't work. Check the USB connection. The gamepad works best plugged into a full-powered USB port. If you have a USB hub, it must have its own power supply. I don't have a power supply on mine. Try plugging the gamepad into a different USB port. In the Windows control panel, game control screen gamepad equals OK and controller ID equals 1. Restart the computer.
Restart the computer?
No, you don't. That's if it doesn't work. Direct input is an older input standard for games on the Windows operating system. Most older games that support gamepads use direct input. If your game supports direct input, gamepads on your gamepad in the X input mode, most features on the gamepad will function except the left and right trigger buttons act as a single button, not independently for best support in direct impact games. Try putting the gamepad in direct input mode, mark D on the gamepad, button 3. The fuck?
Anyways, yeah, that's the review. So I got it for $29 something plus tax. $35.
Went up.
And also, I got a story to tell for people that are staying this long into the video. Let me get closer to you so I can tell you. When I was walking back home from work, I ran into this old lady. I didn't run into her, but I came cross paths with a very old lady, probably in her late 60s or so. Her scooter died, and I had to help her cross the street, and I brought her and the scooter to the charging station, and after I left, she said, "Thank you, I'll blow you later." Anyways, that was the Logitech number F310 gamepad unboxing.
P90X.
This is the new Sony PlayStation 5 controller.
It's in turbo mode.
It is because I turned it on. Boop. So I will be recording, maybe if I have time, the last episode of The Walking Dead for Telltale's Season 1. Yeah, hit that like button for more booty. Comment down anything below the sea. Share with your scalawags. Subscribe to become a member of the Salty Sailor crew. And with all that being said, stay salty. Whoa!